Welcome to 57 Stillwater Lane in the Stone Creek subdivision in Medina, Tennessee. This is a gorgeous 5-bedroom, 3-bath home with 2,678 square feet. So I'm going to take you on a brief tour, so come on in. The downstairs living area, foyer, dining, and hallway features hardwood flooring, fireplace with gas logs. One thing I love about this home is the tall ceilings in the living area. Welcome to the nice sized primary bedroom, suite with also primary bath. As you can see, there's an area for seating. The hardwood flooring in the primary bedroom and also in the additional downstairs bedroom is brand new. In the primary bath, you will find a separate shower, whirlpool tub, double vanities that are separate on each side. Here we are in the kitchen. The kitchen features a great island, granite countertops, a pantry, also an additional built-in cabinet pantry, refrigerator, stainless steel appliances, and an area for a table and chairs. This home does have a formal dining room. All of the carpet upstairs is brand new. Again, this home has 5 bedrooms. The 5th bedroom could also be used as a rec room. There are 3 bedrooms upstairs and also a full bath. The backyard has a nice size open patio area and a fenced-in backyard. Thank you for taking a tour with me of 57 Stillwater Lane here in Medina, Tennessee. If you'd like to see this beautiful home, please give me a call. Deborah Key. Cell is 731-501-0161 or our office is 731-668-7000.